Welcome to episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator about another video, and I'm doing a 2-in-1 today because the last video I did on my phone, I was trying to say the video was a Google Drive and it was pissing me off. So instead, I figured I could do a 2-in-1 review for today. So, I'm trying to think. I think on the 5th, it was delivered on the 5th or the 3rd. On the 3rd, which was Saturday, I got my brush set. There's at least 15 brushes. I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm also going to show you a bonus brush. It's not a part of the brush set, but I'm going to show you a bonus brush that I got too. And some headphones. So let me find all these brushes. I'm going to tell you where all these are. Let's see. Yo, this top keep coming off. Which one is this? Oh, that's the one I like. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I found all 15, including a bonus brush that does not come with the set. I actually got that. Okay, so I have all 15 of the brush set that I have, but the other one I'm going to show you along in this video came with a set. Came at a discount at Rite Aid, and I'm going to show you that later. Alright, so I'm just going to go one by one. Doesn't really matter. So let's start with this brush. This is the part of 15 brush set. This is one of the dual brushes that I got. So I guess this is kind of like for either eyeshadow. I think it's just too big to be eyeshadow a little bit. This is really good. I like this brush. I think I'm not going to show you them all individually. I think I'll just show you all of them together. Compared to the brushes that I got, forgot the name of them, but I got a 10 brush set. Compared to those that I got, you can check that on my Damage Review playlist. These are actually pretty small, so I definitely compare those to my eBay brushes that I got offline. It was a it was a 6-piece. So yeah, I had to trim some of the hairs off of a few of them. Some of them didn't have that many like loose hairs. I think my favorite one out of all of these, to be, if you want me to really be honest, it really has to be this brush right. Wait, no, not that one. This one. Yeah. Out of all of these, you can check the hairs. These are all synthetic hairs, by the way. But out of all of these this is my favorite one, because this reminds me of one of the brushes from my 6-piece from eBay that I got. So yeah. So this was $21.29. I got a discount because I made a mistake and forgot to put that discount code in, and I was like, oh snap, I'm not paying that much. So I actually went ahead, canceled that order, and then reordered the order with a discount code. So yeah. Next up, we got this is a bonus brush. This is from Wet&Wild. This was originally like $7.99. This was $6 off. I got this on $1.99. Okay, this is their P70 brush. It's considered to be a blush brush. I love it. Look at the hairs on this bad boy. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I love the handle. I love this little part right here. So like when you're doing your makeup, it's like, yeah, get into it, girl, get into it. But I don't put blush on my face, not necessarily because I want to put blush on my face. So I would rather use this as a foundation brush because it's way more bigger than the other brushes that I have. So I'll use this as a foundation brush or something. Okay, and last but not least, we have these headphones from Amazon. The Wet&Wild brush came from Rite Aid, as I said before, yeah. And the 15 brush set came from Amazon. And these are from Amazon as well, these headphones. This is the one with the mic attached. I gotta say, when I first got I got these yesterday. When I got these, I was kind of a bit disappointed because number one, it has a weird smell, like a really weird smell, like cinnamon candy. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You know how like licorice smells? That's the scent that I'm getting. And then I unraveled these, right? Where was the piece where it was burnt off at? Yeah, so you see this piece right here? Like, who gives headphones like this? Dude, look at that. Like, it looks like it's just like melted or they burnt it by mistake. And then look at this. So like those two spots that I showed you, it looked like they were stuck together. That is totally not cool. And then there's another piece that was burnt. So I counted 1, 2, 3 pieces. So besides the licorice smell and the melted pieces, including the one that's by the microphone, they are good headphones. I actually used them yesterday when I was out shopping. I came into some money. I ain't gonna tell you where. But yeah, I came into some money and decided, it's time to go. Well, my mother thought it was time to go shopping, but you know how moms be. They want to spend your money when you come into some money. But yeah, bro. We had a little fun in Rice's Town. Had a little shop on. And now we're just home because we thought the lights were going to be out because it was thundering outside. But anyway, for the first products that you saw were the brush set. I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10 because 3 points, I'm going to tell you why. 3 points off because mainly they're really small brushes. I didn't expect them to be that small. You get what you pay for, but I wanted them to be just a bit bigger because just from what I'm seeing in the picture. But they're still a good brush set nonetheless. 2 out of 10. And I'm going to tell you why the 8 points off. The smell and the burnt goddamn pieces. And that like, come on, dude. 2 out of 10 for these. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Click the notification bell. The way we notify of all my videos. Get all notifications. Like, when I post videos, you want to know, like, reviews, right? I got 2. I actually got 3 more things in the way. I look, when you do the surveys and you do the little focus groups and they give you Amazon money and you just don't know what to do with it. Now I got cash. I ain't gonna say about that. But yeah, when you got money, when you just like, girl, you gotta spend. That's what I want to do. So yeah, I'm actually getting ready to get 3 other orders in. One is something that I actually needed. Another one is another set of headphones. Wait, did I say 3? Did I say 3? Hold on, give me 1 second. So I was right earlier. I'm actually I'm waiting on 2 more orders. Now I'm supposed to be waiting on 1 more. Sorry, come on, when you got that Amazon money, girl, you got okay. But yeah, I'm waiting on 2 more orders, and one should be arriving August 23rd, one should be arriving August 26th, or September 17th. So August 23rd through the 26th, I should expect in 1 order, or between September 16th through 17th. That's what it says on here. And I am going to say one of them is another set of headphones, but another one is something I really, really needed. Okay. And I think Wednesday I'll take you guys shopping with me on Rite Aid and how I do my thing. I've been thinking about taking y'all shopping with me. I was supposed to take y'all shopping with me like a few years back when I got those beauty products. That didn't work out really well because I forgot all about the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Click the notification bell. Be notified on my video. 2 more orders on the way. We'll be doing those reviews. Likely split. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.